Welcome to SOTG, my TikTok series wherein I will test out fragrances under extreme circumstances to give you the projection and longevity to give you the performance that you wanted. And for today's episode, we will be using Soleil Blanc throughout the whole day. And let's see kung ano nga bang performance ng Cemetery Loves Soleil Blanc. By the way, hindi ko afford ang Tom Ford kaya Cemetery Loves na lang muna tayo ngayon. This would be the second time na gagamitin ko siya. And it still has that very natural floral scent. It has that hints of coconut. Yeah, more of a floral scent. So based on the experience, I really like floral scent when it comes to sunny days, especially na mainit. And as you can see, pinagpapawisan na naman ako since medyo mainit sa room na to. By the way, I think this is more of a woman's fragrance, not for men. Wait, di ko sure. Siyempre may mga lalaki na gusto ng floral scent. Anyways, let's go 2 for 2 here. One dito, one sa likod, and as usual, one for my hair. Two on my hair, and then one sa shoulder and one sa right shoulder. Yeah, I need it too sa buhok ko ngayon. There's a reason for that, and you will see later why. Disclaimer lang, by the way. I know it's a sweet scent. It smells so good. It's so gentle smelling, but god damn! Ang hapde sa leg. Tumulo yung ang hapde. The fuck. Anyways, let's go na. One thing I've noticed dito sa Cemetery Loves Soleil Blanc is that it has that distinct smell na para ba siyang, let's say, amoy bulaklak sa patay. So if you're that kind of person that really likes that smell, go get it. Pero I think ma-attract mo is mga matatanda. Just kidding. It smells nice. Sadyang medyo floral lang siya for me, but I like the coconut note there. It gives me different vibes, so I like it. Anyways, biyahin tayo. So, yun. Bumiyahin na agad ako para makapagbili. I went to the Eyewear Hardware to buy a screws and kaserola kasi magluluto ako mamaya. After that, kumain muna ako since nagutom ako. Shira Toke Tokyo. I love their pork tonkatsu bento. Then, bumili muna ako ng mga grocery para magluto mamaya. And I went to McDonald's to buy foods for my girlfriend since pinuntan ko siya sa school niya since busy sila. They have their sport fest. So yun, smell test. Nandito pa naman, so far so good. Then yun, nagbayad muna ako ng internet and then I met my friend Del Mundo. Sabi niya sa akin, tara, bilyar muna tayo pre. So yun, nagbilyar muna kami habang naghihintay sa barbershop since nakapila muna ako. Smell test, yeah, dito pa rin naman. Then yun, nagbilyar muna kami. After that, punta namin sa barbers para magpagupit here in CSI Lucao. Hindi na ako nakapag-video pero ito yung after cut ko. Yeah, I kinda like it. It's mid-fade by the way. So yun, naging hobby ko ng punta ng aficionado dito. F69, F10, and F2 is my new scent na napansin ko medyo mabango. I like them. It's kinda fresh and manly. After nun, punta na ako sa furniture store dito sa CSI para tumingin ng shelf for my fragrances since lumalaki na siya. And ito yung napili ko. It's kinda good since marami siyang compartment. And then yun, smell test. Dito ko napansin na nawawala ng amoy niya. So sad. After that, nag-check muna ako ng bagong salamin. I think I like this a lot. I need to change. Then, umuwi na agad ako para makapag-review and luto. Bye! Uwi na ako with my new haircut. Thank you sa pagpaparemind sa akin na kailangan ng mapagupit. Anyways, nakapagluto na ako lahat. And now, I can give you the final review for Cemetery Loves Soleil Blanc. Disclaimer lang by the way, hindi ko pa naamoy ang legit na Soleil Blanc by Tom Ford kasi hindi ko siya afford and wala akong basis, wala akong friend or anyone na meron nun. So, I cannot really do a comparison na magka-similar ba sila or hindi. Pero, let's just base it na Cemetery Love Soleil Blanc talaga siya. So, what I've noticed on Cemetery Love Soleil Blanc is that the floral sense is overpowering during the opening. I really like it, the same time hindi. Because it's too feminine for me. It's not that kind of a manly scent. So, hindi ko siya masasabi na good scent for a man. Kasi if you're a man, you want some kind of a masculine scent. So, for me, masyado siyang feminine. Now, let's talk about the important part. How's the performance of Cemetery Loves Soleil Blanc? So what I can say about the projection is it is really overwhelming that even my 4x8 meter room, it got filled with a floral scent. I like it. It's kind of good scent. Medyo feminine lang siya pero yes, it does its job. It can fill out the room. And nung napunta ako sa mall, medyo naaamoy ko pa rin siya. So, it's kind of good considering na naaarawan ako habang nagmumotor ako. And that's like what? Few minutes of driving lang. Pero sobrang araw. So, kudos to Symmetry Labs. Another thing na napansin ko sa Symmetry Labs is yung longevity niya. Napansin ko, umalis ako dito na 11 a.m. Nakauwi ako ng 3 p.m. At pagka-uwi ko, wala na yung amoy niya. Even sa hand ko, even sa neck ko, wala na siya. And hindi nakakapag-respray since hindi ko siya dinala sa mall. So, I really cannot say na gano'n siya katagal. Pero around 2 p.m. to 1 p.m. na amoy ko pa rin siya. It's still there, it's still in my hand, it's still here on my pulse points. So, let's say ang kanyang longevity is around 4 to 5 hours. Maybe for me. Maybe meron tayong iba't ibang skin chemistry. But, note na nag-lotion ako, I put some lotion on my neck beforehand. So, I don't think so na hindi moist yung skin ko. Now, I will give my rating to Soleil Blanc. As a feminine fragrance, yes, I would rate this 8.5 out of 10. I rate it high because I really like the floral and coconut scent. If babae ka, gusto ko tang amoyin. If ganito ang amoy mo, it's really sweet, it's really floral. I like it. It's kind of refreshing as well. But if you're a man, if you're a 6 foot fucking guy with a bulky ass body, bro, ba't ka susuot ng floral scent? Anyways, nasa sa'yo na yan kung yun ba yung gusto mo. Pero for me, as someone who is really into fragrance, as a lalaki, I'd rather wear something fresh. So I would rate this as a 6.5 out of 10 if you're wearing this as a man. So, mararecommend ko ba ang Soleil Blanc by Symmetry Labs as an everyday use? Maybe yes and maybe no. Yes, kapag hindi masyadong maaraw, you will use it on a days like Christmas, especially ngayon. Pero don't use it on a direct sunlight situation. I really don't really recommend it. Masyado siyang nag-underperform, especially sa longevity kasi matatanggal agad siya. Pero I would recommend this if nasa school ka lang naman, meron namang fun. You will really, really, really overwhelm the people around you because of its floral, good, sweet scent. By the end of the day, yung mga reviews ko lang naman is based on me, based on my experience. So ikaw, meron ka bang Symmetry Labs? Or gusto mo magkaroon nito? Comment down below kung ano pang gusto mong ma-review na fragrance next time. Or maybe, I don't know, natamad na ako eh. So yun lang. Peace.